Hi there, students. Strand. Okay, well, the first thing I think of is the Strand, a street in London, yeah? Let's see, a strand has at least two different meanings. A strand is a strip of land that is adjoining the ocean or a river, particularly a beach, yeah? But we use to strand more commonly nowadays. For example, a boat that runs onto a sandbank and can't get off. The boat is stranded. Or a whale that was stranded on the beach. It's got up onto the beach and it can't get off again. But then we use this slightly more metaphorically to strand somebody, to leave or abandon someone in what seems to be a helpless position with little hope of rescue. So my car broke down and I was stranded in the middle of a desert. His boat sank and he was stranded on a desert island, a castaway, for many years. So if you leave somebody stranded, you leave them in a very difficult position, and it's unlikely that they're going to be able to help themselves because they're alone. So the bank withdrew the loan of the company, and the company was stranded. It was in a terrible situation with almost no hope of rescue. Notice in language as well, you can have a stranded preposition. What are you doing this for? You could call it a dangling or a hanging preposition or a stranded preposition. This is a preposition at the end of the sentence, separated from its verb and abandoned almost. So this is the idea of to strand, stranded. We also have a different meaning. For example, a strand of hair. Well, I didn't get one, but a filament. Or if you have a rope, it's made of various pieces, various strands woven together. Or a cable. A metal cable has various strands of wire that are twisted together, and each one of those pieces is a strand. If I cut this, you will find there are strands of thread which hold and make the whole thing. So the elements of something that is woven together. Now you can use a strand to metaphorically. So for example, to speak good English, you need to combine the different strands of vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, comprehension, and many other things. So the different threads, if you like, that go to make up the whole. Notice as well, to strand is a regular verb. He stranded me. Yeah? They have stranded us. So, let's see. The Strand, a street in London. A strand, an area of land adjoining the sea, particularly a beach. A boat can be stranded. It's stuck maybe on the rocks or on the sand. A stranded whale. Then you could strand somebody to leave them in a helpless position. I was stranded in the middle of nowhere. Or a stranded preposition. And then you have this word, a strand, a filament, a strand of hair, a strand of a rope, one of the cords. And then that you could also use metaphorically. So, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Strand.